Hello, superstar. Here we go. Let's solve this problem. They're giving me a circle. They're giving me the line that slides through the middle. So what I have is my diameter. That's equal to 18 inches. And now they're asking me to find circumference and area. Here is when you're going to use your formulas. So if they're giving you the formulas to use, just pay attention which one you're going to pick and which one you're going to use. If they're not giving you the formulas, it's important to keep those into your brain, put in your memory, so you can use them anytime. So let's remember the formula for circumference. We're going to use diameter times pi, or the equivalent one is 2 times radius times pi. In this case, that's diameter times pi might do it, because they're giving you the diameter. And my area formula is radio square times pi. And remember this, we have said this many times. Radio square is not the same, look here, it's not the same as 2 times radio, okay? Radio square is r times r, okay? This is not the same as 2 times r, okay? So you have to keep this in mind all the time so you don't make that mistake. Okay, so I got my diameter. Now let's find out the circumference first. So you're going to use my formula, circumference equal diameter, so it will be 18 times 3.14. And then we're going to do that multiplication, 18 times 3.14. And that's giving me an answer of, see my calculator, 18 times 3.14. You can use your calculator in case you don't have a calculator. You have to time that decimal by that whole number. 56.52. In this case, we got inches. And remember something. Circumference is a distance, okay? The distance around the circle. So your unit are inches, meter, feet, whatever unit they're giving to you, okay? Now, when we talk about the area, when we want to look for the area, remember what we meant is how many unit squares, how many unit squares can go inside the circle, okay? It's like you are getting that circle. When you find area, you're going to slide my unit square. So how many of those unit square when I cover my whole circle? It's like you're getting that pizza. And instead of sliding down in triangle, you slide down in square. That's your area. So for the area, your answer is going to be in inches square, okay? Because that's what you're using. You're using little square. Unit square, in this case, inches square. So let's use the formula. I say area is equal to radius square. So remember what we said right here on the top. Radius square is r times I. So what is my radio? Wait a minute, what's the radio? Remember, it's half your diameter. So from the diameter, you can say here that your radio is going to be 9 inches. So your area is going to be equal to 9 times 9. That's your radius square. Times pi. 9 times 9 times 3.14. Okay? $254.34. And remember what we said about the unit square? So your unit is going to be inch square. Final answer. So here we go. I'm going to use yellow color to highlight my final answer. My circumference is 56.52 inches. And my area is equal to 254.34 inch square. Okay? So this is how you're going to use the formula for circumference and for area to solve this kind of problem. Just pay attention to the little detail, because sometimes the little things are the ones that bring us to the wrong answer. You are not aware that r times r is r squared you time by 2. instead of doing 9 times 9, you're going to do 9 times 2, and that's going to give you a totally different answer. So let's keep those things in mind. So this is very important here when you calculate, look at a little star, you calculate area, the red score is R times I. And the rest is just to use the right formula and to pay attention. Remember, math is not about doing things fast. It's about taking the time you need to get to the answer, okay? Thank you, and see you next time. Bye, guys. I almost forgot. Take notes, okay? You can pause the video, take some notes, and review them, because this is how you're going to get better, and this is how you're going to understand, and this is how you're going to improve, okay? I believe in you. Bye.